Creating a stunning brochure has never been easier. With Canva's user-friendly interface and countless templates, you can design a professional-looking brochure in just minutes. Whether you are promoting an event, showcasing a business, or sharing information, Canva offers the tools you need to make your ideas stand out. Start crafting your eye-catching brochure today and watch your audience take notice. So hey guys, and welcome back in another video where I will show you step by step how to make a brochure in Canva. So the first thing that you have to do is open your browser and dive into canva.com. So this is the home page, as you can see. So what is Canva? Canva is a platform that could graphic design platform that allows users to create a wide range of visual content, including brochures, with its intuitive drag and drop interface, pre-designed templates, and extensive library of images and fonts. Canva makes it easy for anyone, regardless of design experience, to produce professional-looking brochures tailored to their specific needs. So right now you have just to sign up and you get started with Canva. So once you have to sign up and you're done with your inscription, you'll find this page, as you can see. So you have just to search for your content and Canva. You click over brochures like that, and then you will find other page, which is this one. So here we have various templates. We have here 5,355 templates, and also you can create your blank if you want, and you choose here the one you want, for example, as you can see. So I will firstly select the filter that I want. For example, here we have related to business. You have to click over docs, presentations, whiteboard, business card, flyers, prototypes, mind maps, websites, graphs, planners, letterheads, and other things. Then we have here the option to social media, also education, video. Then we have in marketing. For example, here we have brochures. You select brochures if you want. Then here we have option of print products, marketing, materials, and then we have a card and invitations such as cards, postcards. Then we have here the option to format, and you select the format that you want, the style, the language, the theme, the feature, the grade, the subject, the topic, and the price. Here we have the price. I will select, for example, the free one, and I will select also this one. For example, I will select only the template that has the color of the blue color like that. Then I will click over apply. Once you do that, you will find only the template that have these characteristics. For example, here we have 16 templates only. So I will select, for example, this one, and I will click over customize this template, and I will find this page, as you can see. So this is the page of designing, and if you want to get started, you have just to follow the steps that I already mentioned. And here we have it. The first step, here we have in the top, you have to add a page title here, and then if you want to move down, if you want to hide the page, if you want to lock the page, if you want to delete the page, and we have if you want to delete the page. Then the last one, which is add page. So firstly, I want to delete this one, so I will just click over delete, and I will go to the text here, and I will add a subheading like that. I'll put it here, and I will modify it. For example, here we have, I will choose the one I want. For example, I will choose this one, or this one. You can just choose the one you want. So here we have it. So right now I will just put it more small, so it's just dependent on the size. I will select, for example, 25, 28 I mean, and here we have it, right? I'll put it in the middle. So as you can see, we have three columns on the brochure. So I will just, for example, select the color that I want. For example, I will select here, for example, I will select black. So it's better to choose black because here we have the background, it's white. Or you can firstly select the background. For example, I will select this background. Also this one I will select black. It's just an example. So here we have it. Right now I will just add this one. I will select firstly the white one. I will add, for example, so as you can see about this one, I will select firstly the size. I'll put it here. As you can see, and if you did a mistake, you have just to click over Endo and you come back like that. As you can see, here we have how it looks firstly, and that's it for that. Then we have, if you want to zoom in, zoom out like that. So this is it. And then we have here other view like thumbnail view, grid view, present full screen also. And here we have it. Then we have here, if you want to select elements, for example, I will select GML here like that. I'll put it small, and I will add firstly this one, for example. I'll put it here like that. I will also delete this one. I will write, for example, something. I will add a text, and I will write, for example, I will add a little bit of body text. I'll put this one here. I will just choose the size firstly, and I will add, for example, my email address. And then I'll put it like that. And there you have it. Right now I will just delete this one also, and I will add, for example, here I will add the location, so we can just modify this, put it here. Then I will delete also this one. And there we have it. Then I will add also the phone number here. Then I will delete all this. So you have just to modify all this template as you want. And here we have it right now and how it works. Then I will just come back. As you can see, and this is how it looks firstly. Then if you want to add a brand, for example, logos, colors, fonts, then we have, if you want to upload your upload files, like if you want to add your image, your videos, audio also, or you can record yourself like that. So you have just to click over record, and you get start 3, 2, 1, and you get started recording yourself like that, as you can see. And once you're done, you click over done, and you can just exit, or you can delete it and you exit the studio. Then you will have option to draw. So choose the one you want, for example. We have here red, yellow, and black. So also we have here in this button, you have to just click over share, and you add the people or the group that you want to share with it. Then we have also this option, if you want to let people, anyone, just can access the design using this link, or only you can access this design. So I will choose the second one because I just want people to see this. And you have download. If you want a public view link, this design is shared publicly. Anyone with the link can access a view only version of this design. For the list, you click over here, and we have here other option, which is this one. We have the present template link, present under record, copy to clipboard, save to folder, send to phone, embed, and website. So this is how it works with Canva and creating brochures on Canva. So see you again in the next video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful. See you again in the next video.